ki Nontrei ke Meecl ki belasong than ki Weng no e ka Jingiakhih jong ki menta sing ka apo pratrek ujelio hadin ba usiam di ula pentikna ban pelat no e ka bai bam temen jong ubna yayong bat jemang hapo ka ne ka tayau haka Jingiakran ba ki nonglum kubor UMPS President Marius Kharkongor ula pentep ba ka Jingiakran ba usiam di ka long ka ba seiso hanrei lada ka Meecl kam pelat haka ne ka tayau kenyai peteng ya ka Jingiakhih
has requested us to withdraw this dharna today. He called to the General Secretary last night, requesting him to withdraw the dharna. But after discussion over food, we said we cannot just withdraw like that. We will want to meet CMDs, sir, before we withdraw. We want to understand on what basis we will withdraw this dharna. So after the meeting we had just now, he has given his word that pension for the month of April and May this year will be cleared within this week. So we are confident and we took his word that whatever he says, we respect him and we believe in him so that our crisis will be resolved at the earliest. But we have categorically told him that if nothing happens within this week, then our agitation will resume again. We will have to reschedule our agitation.
How many members are there in this?
In our the pensioners, total pensioners, as per the office record, it's more than 3,600. Both service pensioners like us, and also family pensioners. That means those husband or wife who serve in the Meecl but have expired. So on behalf of the spouse, they got the family pension.
Okay, your name?
My name is Marius Kharkongor, President of the...
For how long you have not been receiving this pension?
As I told, it is for the month of April and May, and now June also is almost due.